Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing those two lipstick that you saw in the beginning of this video. So we are going to be doing the yellow lipstick and we are going to be doing the pink lipstick. You guys don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I'll be in the comment section. You tell me the one you loved. Was it the pink one or the yellow one? So guys, I started with lining my lips. I lined my lips with a black liner. Yes, as you can see, I used a black liner before I went in with the yellow lipstick. I just wanted to match my eyeshadow with that lipstick. That's why I did a yellow lipstick. As you can see, yeah, I applied a lot of lipstick to make it come out nice, you get me? So you guys, this is how I love doing my lipstick. Then I applied a little bit of black on the upper lips because both of them won't be going in together. Then I lined the down one again, as you can see. Yeah, before I now decided to apply lip gloss, I applied another pinch of yellow down there, down my lips. And I went in with my lip gloss. I so much love lip gloss. Yeah, so I went in with my lip gloss. And I was cleaning my brush as I was applying it so that you don't make mistake. If you make mistake, the black will transfer to the yellow and you will not want that to happen. So yeah, this is how I did it. Tell me what you think about this yellow lipstick. Is it something you can try? I love this look so much. The yellow lipstick and yellow eyeshadow, I love it so much. So you guys, let's go on to the next one, the pink lipstick. I wanted to try this lip liner, but I didn't really like it. It was not that pigmented, so I went in with my palette, my lip palette. That's what I used. So I used a bit brown color, wine color. That's what I'll call it. This is a wine color. So that's what I used in lining my lips before going in with the pink. So I do love overlining my lips because it makes my lips appear fuller. But I think I didn't really overline this particular lips, but I still overlined it before I went in with the pink lipstick, as you can see. Yeah. So I'm still going to darken the upper lips because I've been doing just smacking both of them and applying lip gloss, but I decided to darken the upper lips just like I did in the yellow lipstick. Yeah, so this one and that yellow lipstick, which one do you think is better? This pink lipstick and the yellow lipstick. I feel the yellow lipstick matches the eyeshadow very well more than this one, but this was the first one I did. But after doing the yellow lipstick, I felt like I prefer it to this one. Tell me what you think about this yellow lipstick. I'm in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a comment for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. This is a very simple lipstick that you can do. So yeah, I'm applying lip gloss here. I'm applying lip gloss. I so much love lip gloss, so I always apply lip gloss. It makes my lipstick so cool and nice. Yeah. So you guys, tell me what you think about all these lips. The yellow and the pink one, what do you think? So you guys, I'm almost done here. This is the final result. Tell me what you think about this. Thank you guys.